If mowing the lawn feels like a chore, this cordless mower makes the job much easier. The brushless motor delivers strong cutting power while staying surprisingly quiet, so you can get the yard done without all the noise of a gas mower. One feature I really like is the 6 adjustable cutting heights. You can keep the grass shorter in spring and raise the deck during summer to help protect your lawn from heat and drought. Adjusting the height only takes a second with the single lever system. The large 50-liter grass bag means fewer stops to empty clippings, helping you finish faster. And if you prefer mulching, simply install the mulch plug and let the finely shredded grass return to the lawn as a natural fertilizer. Since it's completely cordless, there are no extension cords to drag around the yard. It runs on two 5.0 batteries for consistent power from start to finish, and the batteries can even double as a power bank to charge your phone when needed. When you're done, the folding handle makes storage and transport simple and convenient.